Let's move to the next question. So the question is, what happens if an exception is thrown in the finally block? So here you can see, right, we have a try and finally block, and exception is thrown in both the blocks. So what happens here? Whether the try blocks throw will take a precedence or finally blocks throw will take a precedence. Let's see with an example. So here I have created try catch finally. So this is a little extended question because interviewer may ask what happens if there is a throw and catch block also. So that's why I took all the three blocks, try, catch, and finally. So we are throwing exception in all the three. It's a runtime exception. So any guesses which one will take a precedence? Is it tries one, catch one, or finally? So let's try to run and see. So you can see here exception is from the finally block. So basically when an exception is thrown in try, catch, and finally one will take a precedence. So we already discussed finally related questions in this series. So I would suggest go and check it out because this finally is a bit tricky one. Many candidate gets confused. So and one more information, finally block, it's designed to do a cleanup task. Cleanup means let's say some resources are opened and try. So finally is a block where we can close that to avoid the memory leaks. So that's one fundamental thing you should know. And whenever there is a throw happens from the finally, that will take a precedence. So even we discussed other examples where we try to return some value from finally also. So I would strongly recommend check it out if you have not done it. Let's go on to the next question. So the answer is exception and the finally overrides any exception thrown in try and catch, which is very clear. So let's move on to the next question.